Myself, Saddam. I am 34 years old. I am from Bangladesh. I have done my graduation in 2014 with second class in BSS. It's Bachelor of Social Science. After that, I also learned about basic knowledge of computer. It's MS Word, email, interaction, and also with typewriting in 30 to 35 pm. Beside that, I have learned a long training of outsourcing institutes on of digital marketing, and I attend a lot of practical program. I have all over that. I am joining in a online marketing, so it's called eValley. I doing this job before 2020. It's totally on marketing. It's like Amazon. After that, I am joining in a bank. It's called Das Bangla Bank as a marketing manager. I'm doing this job duration about 2023. My salary was approx 200 to $250. Then my strength is I am a self-motivator, hard worker, flexible, and I'm able to work with a team. That's all about of myself.